Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you if your PC RAM use is so high, how you can solve this problem. In this video we're going to learn some troubleshooting, how you can fix this problem with high usage RAM. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start this video. First of all, we are going to open our resource monitor to see what condition we can find about our RAM. Search resource monitor and open this and go to the memory, and here you can see free is 900 and standby, and then you can see all of this thing. So I think it's pretty normal for our PC because we open several apps. So if you see this from here or here in the normal usage, then that's be a problem for your PC. Now I'm going to close this and go to task manager. Simply press Ctrl Shift ESC. In process tab, go to your memory, and here you can see which apps really use your memory. So you can see it's Brave browser is 402 MB. If you see any unnecessary MB in any kind of apps, then you can simply in-text from here. So I'm going to use this type of apps for my screen recording, so that is pretty normal for me. So I'm going to close this one. Now we need to go to our resource monitor to dig deeper with this monitor. Simply press Windows plus R and here type Resmon and click on OK. In use, actively use RAM. In use, you can see in modified, cached but still allocated, standby, available caches, and free is unused. So if any use in mixed out, you have got a leak or a heavy program. So in my case all things are normal. If you think any unnecessary activity in here in this 4 tab, then you need to do some action. So I'm going to close this one. So how you can check memory leaks in our PC. Now we are going to check our memory leaks, if any memory leaks happen in our PC. Now we need to go to our task manager again, Ctrl Shift ESC. So in process, in our memory, you need to see this. If any program climbs endlessly, you need to see this. So you need to see the ups down in your apps. It's not just about climbs higher and higher and higher. We need to see ups and down in here in apps. So in my case it's a normal, so I'm going to close this one. Now we are going to inspect background services. For this, open your run, simply press Windows plus R and here type msconfig and click on OK. After that, go to services and here find hide Microsoft services. Search this. You can select any of these like this. You can enable or disable this. Like this, hide all Microsoft services, and you can simply disable all of this. So we can see like this way. Now you need to click on this, hide all Microsoft services, and you can disable this for heavy. These are the main offenders. Sometime simply disable. Sometime malware can hide in minors to consume your RAM and CPU. So you can check some malware in your PC. Search Windows Memory Diagnostic. Open this. Check your computer for memory problem. If you have any memory problem, then you can check this from this. If you see constant 90 to 100% RAM usage with no heavy apps, then bad RAM strike on your motherboard issue could be the causes. So you can check this now, or you can select this one, check for problems the next time I start my computer. So I'm going to select this one. I just created schedule test for my memory, and I'm going to close this one. So guys, that's how you can fix this problem on your PC about RAM usage constantly. I hope you understand this video and learned something new. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.